Welcome. In this video, we are going to see 5 unknown facts of Adobe Photoshop CC 2020. Let's get started. Select image. Unlock the layer. Go to Window. Properties. Click Remove Background. Just click the objects and drag. Don't need to select the layer. Select the image layer. Click Object Selection tool. Select the area you want to cut. Ctrl+J. Hold Alt key. Just drag to the place you want. Select image. Select a quick selection tool. Select subject. It automatically selects the subject. If you have any doubts regarding this video, kindly drop your words in the comment section. Thank you.